Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear friends, how are you? I wish everybody is fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Today we are going to start our AutoCAD basic trainings, class 6. Today we are going to describe about the block tools and group tools. The block tools and group tools is very important for the advanced shop drawing and create a new drawing. Block and groups, normally during the shop drawing or create a new drawing, we just create some blocks and groups for our easy use and future use of our some component or object. Like as civil engineer, normally they need the column shape, and the architect engineer they need door shape, electrical engineer they need lighting, power, or many other shapes. So as per our requirement, we can make block or group, we can save, then future we can use. So initially I just make some shape to save my time. So using to make the shape, I already use the layer tools. As per previously my last class, I explained to everybody about layer tools. If you don't know, you can go my channel and you can see about the layer lecture. So if you want to make one block or any group, you have to select the layer first. Example, I want to make the block for the column, so I have to select column layer first, column layer. After that I delete the dimension, because in the block I no need the dimension. If you need, you can save, but if you normally not required, so we didn't keep. So now I want to create block, so I just go to create, click create. I make the name first, 300 times 300 column, COLE column. Then select object, enter. Okay, you see now already the block is created. So the same way I can make it group. This another column I can make group. So for the group, I just select the object first, just click group, so it's already in the group. So what's the difference between block and group? The major difference between block and group is that in the group tools, you can make group like as 2 people, 3 people, 5 people, we can make one group. If we want to add more people, we can add, like as if I want to edit group, you see, just click edit group, I can add like as add people, I can add another one, I select enter. So these two become one group. So like that we can add more an object, like as I want to add more, edit, click, add, I select another one, enter. You see now I already select another one. Like the same way, if you want to remove, you just go remove, you select, enter. Already remove this to remove. But what's the benefit of block tools? This column I already make block. So if I want to go edit block, you see edit block, okay, I can change the shape, I can change anything. If I need to make bigger of this column, I can make bigger, then save block. You see my column already big, and to change, keep same, okay, close, discard, change. Okay, so this is actually normal difference between group and block. So this block I can use many example. So in future, if I need one this column shape, I no need to make rectangle, I have to make rectangle, then I have to use hatch, I click here, then you see 2 step. But if I need this one, I can use the same block, I just copy and I can just move as per my requirement. So this is the benefit of block and group tools. The same way, the architectural engineer, they need door windows, they can create doors, like as I need to select the layer first, door, then I create new block, I make door 1, select object, enter. Okay, the door block is ready. Same way the electrical, I go to light. Okay, light layer, I create new block. Okay, select, enter. Okay. Oh no, sorry, the name must be at least character, so I have to put name F8. Okay, so my this block also ready. I want to make another block. F7, select object, line, enter. Okay, so you see I already made block. So this block, if you want to use the same drawing, you can use. If you want to use the new drawing, you can insert, and you will find all the block. Whatever block you create, you can find here. You see, door 1, light shading, F7, F8, everything you can use. Example, initially before I create some column like that, door like that, I can insert. See, that is here. Previously I make that. So this way you can use the block. And one more major benefit for these block tools is that if you make one block and the same thing you use many places in the drawing, like as if your drawing is very big, you will use many places. Okay, example, I use many places like that. So I no need to select one by one. I just click any one, right button, select similar. You see, all the things is select together. Okay, I can delete together. You see, select, right button, select similar, delete. Okay, so the group tools is that I just make so many things together. I want to make one group. I just select the 2-3 things together. I just click on the group button. It's become group. So this is the benefit of block tools and group tools. Actually, normally we are using the block tools is more, because block tools is very effective and useful for us. We can edit anytime in future. If I need, I can edit anytime. So friends, if you think this class is some useful for you, you practice more and more. If you like my video, just like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share to your friends, colleagues, and your younger brother. See you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.